give you a little bit of a treat tonight. I'm standing on my upstairs deck, and I wanted to show you the Ionian Sea straight ahead. To my right here, it's a little bit hazy tonight, but to the right is the Bay of Catania. It's about 20 kilometers away that way to the right. And as I pan slowly here, this is getting to the front of my house. And straight ahead to the left, that little inlet over there, that's Capo Molino, beautiful little fishing village. And there's my tree, of course. And in front is where the cows and the horses, they range all day long. This is protected land in front of my place over here, so they can never build over here, thank God. And straight ahead, where the tree is, straight away, is Taormina. And actually, on a clear day, not only can you see Taormina, but right to the left, right over this tree to the left, is Etna. Kind of funny, but I've got a spectacular view. Very lucky, you know. I'm here now for the next 5 years, and I have an option for 5 more if I want. I took a huge rental on this place over here for many years. This is my 5th year here, and I really love it. But starting tomorrow, what I'll do is I'll do, as I go to interesting places, I'll take a video, and then I'll put some pictures up. Some people seem to like the video a little bit. Okay? How's that? Ciao.